Noticing P2P files building up alongside your audio projects? These are waveform cache files that keep Adobe Audition's editing interface snappy and responsive. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what they do and how to manage them. I call this the last resort solution for those P2P files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. P2P files are peak data cache files, created by Adobe Audition containing pre-computed audio waveform display information. They accelerate waveform rendering in the editing interface by caching the visual representation of audio files for instant timeline display without real-time computation. Adobe Audition P2P. Peak files use a binary format, storing waveform amplitude data at multiple zoom levels computed from the source audio. The cache maps audio sample values to pixel display coordinates, enabling instant waveform rendering when scrolling and zooming the editing timeline. The P2P format was designed to be handled by Adobe Audition from Adobe Systems Incorporated. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows can read many audio formats, but detailed modification must be handled in dedicated applications. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the P2P file and choose Open With. Use Adobe Audition as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If the P2P file won't open, don't panic. Failure of the main program tells us the P2P error is systemic. Let's not waste time. Here are 3 essential steps to troubleshoot the file right now. First, understanding peak files. P2P files are automatically generated by Adobe Audition when opening audio files for editing. They appear alongside source audio files in the same directory. These cache files are not required for audio playback or export and can be safely deleted to free disk space. Next, managing cache size. Configure peak file behavior in Adobe Audition through Edit, then Preferences, then Media and Disk Cache. Set the cache location storage limit and automatic cleanup preferences. Move the cache to a fast SSD for optimal editing performance or limit cache size to manage disk space usage. Finally, regenerating peak data. If waveform displays appear incorrect or corrupted, delete the P2P file and reopen the audio file in Audition. The application regenerates the peak data automatically. Use Edit, then Preferences, then Media to clear all cached peak files at once if you experience widespread display issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.